Hello and welcome back to the channel and our game day party series. Today we'll be making a game day fan favorite, cocktail wieners made in the slow cooker. So stay tuned. Hello, I'm so glad you stayed tuned to learn how to make this very super simple, easy recipe. For this recipe, you will need two 12-ounce packages of the Hillshire Farms Little Smokies. I like this brand. You could use a different brand if there is one. These are all beef, but by all means you can use pork, whatever you can find that works for you. So you'll need two packages of the 12-ounce package of the Hillshire Farms Little Smokies. You'll also need a 10-ounce jar of grape jelly and a 12-ounce bottle of your favorite chili sauce. So before we get started, I'm going to need to melt this jelly a little bit so we can mix it together with our chili sauce. So I've got a microwave safe bowl here. And I'm just going to put the jelly in here. You might need to use a little spatula. That's why we got to melt it, because it's not going to mix very well in the state that it's in. It's not going to take long. Okay, so I've got that in my bowl. I'm going to go to the microwave and take about 2 minutes to melt this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my jelly out of the microwave. It's not completely melted. It still has some congealed parts to it. Be very careful because your bowl may be hot. This took about 1 minute. If you want it a little more melty, do it for another 30 seconds or so. But now I'm going to add my chili sauce to this. I'm just going to pour the whole thing in. Okay, and then we're just going to whisk this together until it's thoroughly mixed. There we go. So now we're going to add our cocktail wieners to the slow cooker. It's not necessary to drain these. Now you can double up this recipe if you like, if you have a big crowd you're preparing food for. So yeah, if you wanted to fill your crock pot up, I would use 4 of these. And give that another whisk. And then I'm going to pour this in on top of my cocktail wieners. And you can use a spatula to get it out. Just give it a little stir to get them well coated. So all you gotta do next, put the lid on, turn it on low, and let these cook in the slow cooker for about 3 hours until they're hot and bubbly, and then enjoy them. How super simple and easy was this recipe? I hope you will try this at home. If you do, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know when I'm posting, please hit the bell button so you will be notified. So until next time, I hope you have a great day.